Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a soundtrack or music to your Instagram notes. So before I begin, I'm going to tell you Instagram notes. Instagram notes are the short updates that allow users to communicate with others using tags. So the notes are short updates that appear in the DMs sections of your Instagram, and they appear above mutual profile, followers profile pictures, and last for 24 hours. So here, let's just launch the Instagram app to first add the note. So you can open your Instagram, and then here you can just click on this messenger icon at the top right corner, and then you can just write your note, which can be up to 60 characters. So you can just tap on this, drop a thought. So share what's on your mind with notes. So, and here you can see notes are visible for 24 hours and friends can reply with a message. You can tap on OK. And now if you want to add soundtrack or music, you can see there will be this music icon that you can select it, that you can tap. And when you do that, you'll see there are lots of music or songs that you can select for your notes. So for example, in here I'm going to add this one to my notes. You can hear the preview of the song first, and then you can just click on this arrow in here, and then here you can choose which part of the song that you want to insert into your Instagram notes. After that, after you choose the part of the song, you can just tap on a check icon. So my notes will go like this, and here you can also add a little notes again if you want to. For example, I'm going to just add an emoji in here, this one. Okay, after this you can now just tap on share. So I will show you how it will look like. So it will look like this. It will show in on top of my photo the song, and when my friend tap on my notes in here, they will hear the song. So that's all from me. That's how you can add soundtrack or music to your Instagram notes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have any question. And also to keep supporting us, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.